Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana and today I have Avery with me.
Goodbye. No, I'm kidding. Hi.
Hi. Okay, so we are going to be doing her budget. So she's going to be condensing everything. We went ahead, we added, we subtracted, we did what we could. So she's gonna go ahead and speak to you about this. So for your clothes, here you go, I'm gonna put this over there.
For clothes, I'm gonna have $106.
I don't know where my thing is.
Is it weird that I put the dollar sign like after?
Yes.
No.
You're gonna have $106.
Yeah.
Okay. And what else? How much are you gonna do for your phone?
For phone, I'm gonna do 35.
35. Just gonna write on this. So $35. Concert.
125.
We're gonna put 125. For your car.
21.
21. Art.
$2.
$2. For Christmas.
$7.
$7. For college.
$9.
$9. Miscellaneous.
$10.
$10. And Halloween Horror Nights.
$5.
$5. Now Avery has been working most of the summer and saving all of her money, right?
Yeah.
And I also cleared out my binder and I gave her her clothing savings because she's going to the mall tomorrow, and I gave her her allowance. So let's see, do you want to count this? Okay, ready? Go ahead.
20, 40, 60. I hate when you forget what you're counting when you just said what you're counting. That's one of the worst things.
Do you want me to count for you, or are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So how much money do you have?
320.
320. All right, we're gonna put that in here and I'll help you. So we have the lunch and the fish, and we have some fish. Okay, get your binder ready. And tens.
Wherever you are.
Yeah, my cat just sneezed. Alright.
At least it didn't step on a bee.
My cat steps on a bee. Alright, Avery.
That's one of the best things to ever come from the trial. The memes.
Okay, put that on. Alright, so art supplies is getting $2. So go ahead and pick it up. Put it in your envelope. You have $2?
No, I have 60. You sure?
That picture. You was so silent. Do you want me to sing to you while you do this? Your
Yes.
clothes are getting $106. I'm gonna keep this over here, so that way you can stuff your body. How much you got? You got, count out loud.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
And $6. Alright, count it one more time.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6. So 106.
You gotta count it out loud.
I did.
So everybody knows the amount. Now you're gonna put it in the envelope. Your mother is psychotic. It's alright, they know. If they're subscribers of the channel, they know I'm insane and I'm a hot mess. It's alright. So clothes is getting $106. Phone is getting $35. Okay, get out 35. Here. There we go. How much you got?
20, 35.
35. Good job. You used your big girl voice. She's gonna stab me, guys. She's gonna be like, yeah, use your big
Oh no,
girl
I
voice.
just added to the list, and then when I'm 18, I can stab you.
Oh, she's making a list of when she can stab you.
No. She was making a list of things she's gonna say at my funeral. She's like, remember that one time you peed yourself? Remember that one time you knocked over a child?
Remember the time we were at Typhoon Lagoon at Disney,
Right.
and you were flocked?
Hey, I was in a wave pool, okay? Alright, so concert is gonna get how much, Avery?
125.
125.
So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and then 5.
Okay, so go ahead and count that.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25.
Good job.
Don't baby me. I've been in math class.
I haven't, I failed.
I got a D because panic attacks. I'm mad about
I got a D for Dana.
I wonder if the F stands for Frank. Did Frank get an F?
I like how, you know how like F means failure?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So
They-
they
do they even
changed
have
it from
Fs in
failure to first attempt at learning.
Alright, so Christmas is going to be getting 7. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7.
Woo! Yep, I make my kid do this.
Actually, she didn't make me. I could have just been irresponsible.
She's very responsible. She's 15, guys. She's doing great.
Car, 21.
Car is getting $21. Go ahead.
5, 10, 15, 20. $1.
$1. You should count it like the owl. 1, 2.
Wait, no.
Like,
Oh my god, what's that vampire's name in Sesame Street?
oh my god, Count Dracula. Right? No, the Count from Sesame Street.
$5. Ha ha ha. $15. Ha ha ha. $20. Ha ha ha. $21. Ha ha ha. Oh, somebody right here.
$21 for a car. Guys, she literally has more than I do saved for a car. I think I have like $10.
I don't spend nothing. At most, I spent like $20. And that was really it.
It's good, then you learn saving.
For college, she's gonna put $9. Woohoo!
Alright, hold on.
Okay, how much you have?
5. Ha ha.
No, you don't have to do it every time.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
$9.
The Family Guy thing. 1 nipple. Ha ha ha. Wait. You haven't seen the Family Guy thing?
We've seen Family Guy, yeah. Alright, miscellaneous.
$10. Ha, ha, ha.
So go ahead and count it.
I'm pretty sure they're already tired of me. 5, 10.
We're starting you young. You won't have 2 kids and go through bankruptcy and be like, why do I only have $8 for the whole month and it's the 3rd?
I'm gonna be a virgin till I die.
Well,
I'm part of the
okay.
virgin club, guys.
Well, that's good. Better than being part of the whole club.
$5.
I don't know what to say. Sorry, guys.
$5 for
PG-13 over here. So $5 for Halloween Horror Nights. And then one of her favorite bands, or a band that she loves, is called Horror, and this is how it's spelled, H-O-9909. And it's how they spell horror. So we have Halloween Horror Nights because I legit ran out of all the R's. So
we also ran out of G's, so
it's a 6. But it's okay. Alright, guys. So this was a learning experience with my child. I don't know if I'm a good teacher or not, but hey, she has a lot more to see than I do in a lot of areas. So
yeah,
I think she's doing pretty
it's time to
good.
save for college already.
I know. I have
don't know what I'm
$2
gonna
toward
do.
college.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with my career yet, so
You'll get there. You're only a sophomore. You got like 3 more years. Yeah, you're in 10th grade.
oh, that's what it's called.
Yes.
Oh God.
I didn't
All right,
know.
you're only a freshman again for the 2nd time because I don't think they're gonna pass you.
Yeah, the schedule's coming out tomorrow, they're saying.
Oh, sweet.
Oh.
So we'll know if she stayed back or if she went forward. Hopefully I helped you with some math. We know Sesame Street did. Alright guys, so this is going to be just a simple and quick video, but I just wanted to show you because I'm actually proud of her. I know we have like a weird relationship. It is a real relationship. Okay? We're not that professional, but we have a lot of heart. So we're good.
Weirdos.
We are weirdos, but we embrace it, okay?
One thing we learned from Monster High.
Yay! Except for the reboot, we don't like that. But no, she's doing amazing. This is how much she's been working since mid-July. She saved almost all of her money. She's been keeping track of it, keeping it all in this binder, and you know, I'm encouraging her when she goes back to school because I'm not gonna let her get a job. But if she wants to like work on weekends, babysitting or something, she could definitely do that. But I'll have like little chores around the house where she can earn extra money and stuff like that so she can continue on her saving journey. But right now we're gonna go. I hope you had some laughs and some fun with us. But
unsubscribe.
we'll see you later. So definitely give Avery, her name is Avery, I know it says Evie on everything, but her name is Avery. Go ahead and give her a thumbs up for her efforts. And
I mean, kindergarten, I deserve the sticker.
oh, she does deserve stickers, guys. She is awesome. So
Superb.
give her a smiley face emoji down in the comments. And I hope that you do subscribe, alright? Have a good day. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.